Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your custom domain to your Netlify site step by step, in plain language. So if you've built your website, deployed it on Netlify, and it's currently live at something like your site.net, Netlify.app. This tutorial will help you link your own custom domain, like your name.com, to that site. Let's get started. First, log into your Netlify account and open the site you want to connect to your domain. Inside your site's dashboard, look for the Set Up a Custom Domain button and click on it. You'll then be asked to enter your custom domain name. This is the one you bought from GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or any other registrar. Type it in and click verify.net. Netlify will check to confirm that you actually own that domain. If everything's good, you'll see a message letting you add the domain to your site. Go ahead and click Add Domain to Site.now. This is where the important part begins, setting up your DNS records. Log into your domain registrar account where you bought your domain. Once you're inside, open the DNS management section for your domain. You'll now need to point your domain to Netlify servers. To do this, add an A record that points to Netlify's Apex Load Balancer IP address. You can find this IP in Netlify's documentation. It's usually listed clearly under Custom Domain Setup. Once you've added the record, save your changes. Now go back to your Netlify dashboard, and you should see your main domain listed as connected. If you look closely, Netlify automatically adds a www subdomain, but it might show as not connected yet. That's because we haven't created the DNS record for it, so head back to your domain registrar and add a new CNAME record for the www. Point it to your main domain, for example, www.yourname.com gives yourname.com. Save that, and after a few minutes, you'll see both your main domain and subdomain listed as connected in Netlify. And that's it. Your site is now live on your custom domain. Whether people type yourname.com or www.yourname.com, they'll land on your Netlify hosted site if you want. You can also enable HTTPS for free right inside Netlify with Let's Encrypt. Just click the Verify DNS configuration button and then provision certificate. And that's how easy it is to connect a custom domain to your Netlify site. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials on web development and hosting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.